Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to unblock someone on Messenger. Messenger is an application integrated with Facebook that allows you unlimited free texting, calling, video chats and many more through the internet. Now, what if you find someone irritable on Messenger? The obvious reaction is to block them. However, if you feel the need to unblock them and are stuck on how to do that, you have come to the right place. I will suggest you easy ways to unblock someone on Messenger, and you can use this method on your Android or iOS device. Without any delay, let's get into ways to unblock someone on Messenger. Firstly, you will need to open your Messenger application and log into your account if you haven't already. You will enter a home page with all your chat box. Click on your profile icon at the bottom with your profile picture on it and choose the privacy option. You will see many privacy options, among which you need to open blocked accounts. This will direct you to a list of people you have blocked. Among them, tap the name of the person you want to unblock. You will immediately see option which will lead you to unblock the person. Click on the unblock messages and calls option and confirm by selecting the unblock option once again. Then go back to the chat box and send them text message to check whether or not they have been unblocked, and you will notice that the messages can be sent and received back and forth. This way the person you want will be free from the block title. I hope this was a helpful video. Thank you.